And will you believe if I say that DLF 1 Midtown is surrounded by 128 acres of pristine greens? Yes. You will be amazed and awestruck when I tell you about the clubhouse amenity. The clubhouse is a multi-level clubhouse. So you can enjoy this breathtaking panoramic view. DLF 1 Midtown provides seamless connectivity. DLF is committed to quality, timeliness, and customer satisfaction. Good morning viewers, I'm Hina Kaul from Zrix.com, and today we are going to showcase you an urban sanctuary right in the heart of Delhi, which is DLF 1 Midtown. DLF Limited, as you all know, is India's #1 and the largest real estate company, and it was founded in 1946 by Chaudhry Raghavendra Singh Ji. With a legacy of over 78 years, DLF has played a significant role in shaping the real estate landscape of India and National Capital Region. With its portfolio from residential to commercial to retail properties, DLF has developed some of India's iconic landmarks such as DLF Cyber Hub, DLF Mall of India, DLF Golf and Country Club. DLF's commitment to quality, customer satisfaction and innovation has earned it many awards, recognition and many accolades, and that solidifies its position as the leaders in real estate company. After a huge success of DLF Capital Greens, DLF is now presenting to you its marvel DLF 1 Midtown, which is located on Shivaji Marg Road, Moti Nagar. So, are you ready to witness the new era of luxury living right in middle of Delhi? In DLF 1 Midtown, you will discover an urban sanctuary right in the heart of Delhi, and living here, you will be living in tranquility, peace and modern elegance. And will you believe if I say that DLF 1 Midtown is surrounded by 128 acres of pristine greens, which means you will be living in flora and fauna with fresh breath of air every day. DLF 1 Midtown offers 4 majestic towers A, B, C and D and 913 units to choose from. DLF is offering you 5-level car parking. 3 is on the basement and another 2 is on the ground level and the upper ground level. And you will be getting world-class amenities, which I'm going to show you one by one. So come along with me. DLF 1 Midtown is offering you an expansive, uber luxurious 50,000 square feet of clubhouse, and along with that, you will be getting a 5-zone infinity edge swimming pool. So come along with me, and I'm sure this kind of a 5-zone swimming pool you have not seen anywhere. They have taken care of all kind of gentry here. So if you're coming with your kids, if you're coming with your toddlers, they have a separate swimming pool for your kids, separate swimming pool for your toddlers, and separate long laps and separate infinity pools. So you will be welcomed by this triple-heighted lobby. This is your reception area. Moving on, this is your waiting area. If you have a guest, they can come and wait here. In DLF Midtown, you will be getting 5 levels of parkings. So here is your shuttle lift. So if you're parking on 1, 2 and 3, your shuttle lift will bring you on the ground level, and from the ground level to go to your towers, you need to come here. And the access card will be provided to you, and there is a face detection also. So imagine if you have friends or if you have any guests and you are not able to recognize them, so they can come here, stand here, they can show your face and they can see their face from their home. So you have to scan your card here, and then you will be having access to your towers. Here's your lifts for your towers. You will be getting high-speed 5 lifts from Toshiba. I'm sure you must be excited to have a look at the sample flat of this exclusive 4 BHK 1 Midtown. So come along with me. So you will be welcomed by this video door phone system, so you can see inside who is at the door. So welcome. the moment you enter your home, and onto your left hand side, you will be getting this servant room. And along with the servant room, you will be getting a washroom as well for your servant. And that's the best part of DLF, that they have given the servant room in the beginning and it has been separated from your main home. So are you ready? So welcome to your uber luxurious, and look at this fully lit 4 BHK house and see how much sunlight is coming in this house. Isn't it gorgeous? And as you can see, a nice big couch has been placed here, a nice carpet has been placed here, and as you can see, a nice round 6-seater table has been placed here, and still there is an ample of space in this colossal living room. Have a look. And throughout your living areas and your kitchen, you will be getting this automatic international carpets, and in all your bedrooms you will be getting the shiny wooden floors. And as you can see, this colossal living room leads to your running balcony. So guys, can you see the size of the balcony? You can literally have a walk over here. I have 4 bedrooms to show you, so come along. And the moment you enter your home, onto your left hand side, you will be getting this guest bedroom. And that's the best part DLF has given, that they have separated the guest bedroom from your other master bedrooms. Have a look. They have placed a bed, they have placed a side bed table, they have placed a wardrobe, and still there is humongous space. And along with this, you will be getting an ensuite washroom with the shower cubicles, and you will be getting all the CP fittings from Rohe. And in the washroom, you will be getting this marble tops with the vanity in fixed and a huge mirror. Moving on, now let me showcase you the heart of the home, the kitchen. Come along with me. DLF Midtown is offering you a fully loaded modern modular kitchen where you will be getting all the appliances like Siemens hob, Siemens chimney, and you will be getting Siemens dishwasher too. Yes, dishwasher. And along with this, you will be getting Siemens OTGs, Siemens microwaves, geysers, Daikin's AC, and exhaust and geysers, and many more. So you will be getting a fully loaded kitchen. What else you need? Apart from this, you will be also getting this marble countertops, and you will be getting steel-coated cupboards. And as you can see, you have plenty of cupboards here, and your storage is sorted. Here too, you will be getting modern modular functional cabinets for all your storage and for your ease and comfort. And the best part is that your kitchen is divided by the slider. Now come along with me and I will show you the kids' bedroom. So that cute cozy place is your kids' bedroom, and here you will be getting an inbuilt wardrobe for your kids along with a balcony. And you will be getting wooden floorings in your bedrooms with this serene, pristine green view. And you will be getting this inbuilt slider wardrobes for your kids. Moving on, I will show you bedroom number 3 of this gorgeous home. So just in front of your kids' bedroom, you will be getting this washroom as well. And this washroom comes with the shower cubicles, and you will be getting all the international CP fittings from Rohe, and you will be getting this granite marble tops with the cabinets. Moving on, this long passage leads to your master bedrooms number 3 and 4. Welcome to the master bedroom. This is the 3rd bedroom of this home, and as you can see, you will be getting this shiny wooden floors along with this beautiful chandelier, and you will be getting this beautiful, gorgeous French windows with the dual glazed glass, so that at night when you shut this door, you will be getting the uninterrupted and comfortable nights. And as you can see, a gorgeous big king-size bed is placed, and along with that, and a nice cute bedside tables have been placed here. A nice standing lamp is placed here, and you will be getting this gorgeous white wardrobes here. These are fully modern modular wardrobes which you're gonna get. So you'll be getting ample space. There's not one but two wardrobes you will be getting here. And along with this, you will be getting ensuite washroom. Again with all the international CP fittings from Rohe. And come along with me at this side, you will be getting this shower cubicles as well. Moving on, the masterpiece of this gorgeous 4 BHK is yet to be revealed, so come along with me. Welcome to your colossal master bedroom of DLF 1 Midtown. Have a look how gorgeous it is. Look at the intricate design you will be getting here and how subtle the colors are and how naturally lit this room is. And it's massive, it's gorgeous. And I want my cameraman to turn around to give you a grand view to the city life. And the surprise moment that I mentioned you in the beginning of this home tour is this. Welcome to your running balcony, which is super gorgeous, super lit, super airy, and the kind of view which you're gonna get from this balcony is immaculate. You will be getting this verdant greens and you will be surrounded by not 100 but 128 acres of pristine greens. And you will be overlooking this clubhouse and you will be enjoying the beautiful panoramic view of Delhi life. So imagine your mornings or evenings are lit here and you can enjoy the breath of fresh air from this gorgeous balcony. Come on, again, I want to show you some more amenities you will be getting in your bedroom number 4. You will be getting this acrylic new paint wardrobe, which is again modular wardrobe. So you will be getting immense space for your belongings. This is wardrobe number 2, which you will be getting with modern modular drawers. Okay. And you will be getting this cute French window for extra ventilation. And if you open this, you will be getting this immaculate view of your clubhouse. And you will be getting this immaculate view of pristine greens and the clubhouse from your balcony. And you will get all the breath of fresh air. Moving on, I will show you the ensuite master washroom of this gorgeous 4 BHK home, which is designed exclusively for you. So come along with me. And you will be getting automated commodes in your master washroom. And you will be getting all the CP fittings from Rohe and you will be getting these huge shower cubicles. Plus you will be getting all the marble floorings, marble tops and your cabinets for all your storage needs. Isn't this gorgeous? I'm loving the intricate. This entire construction has been done by Tata and they have done immense job. Each and every detail has been done. Tata is known for their quality and this exquisite 4 BHK is designed with precision and care just for you. I am just awestruck with the kind of panoramic Delhi view I'm getting from my balcony. So imagine you can have your yoga mornings here, you can have your coffee morning here, you can enjoy the newspaper and you will be getting seamless connectivity from DLF 1 Midtown. As you can see, I can easily see 3 metro stations from here. Your airport is just 19 kilometers from here. Gurgaon is 38 kilometers from here. In DLF 1 Midtown, you will be having seamless connectivity to airports, to metros and your daily needs, your grocery, everything has been taken care by DLF. You don't have to walk outside the building. You don't have to take out your car. As you can see, DLF Plaza is building just in front of your house. And for your convenience, they have made this walking bridge so that you don't have to take a car. You can just walk from this bridge and reach to DLF Plaza. And in this, you will be getting 3 to 4 PVRs, all your retails, your shopping, everything is taken care of. For more real estate updates and for such gorgeous projects, do join our WhatsApp community today. And viewers, we do have a WhatsApp community group. You can join us today. The descriptions are mentioned below. And if you join our WhatsApp community, you will be getting more real estate updates. You will be amazed and awestruck when I tell you about the Clubhouse amenity. The Clubhouse is a multi-level clubhouse which is spread across 50,000 square feet. And come with me, I will showcase you the world-class amenity DLF 1 Midtown provides to you. So this is your multi-level clubhouse. Come along with me. The moment you enter, onto your right hand side, you will find a spa and a salon. So here you can come and pamper yourself and rejuvenate your soul. Have a look. Moving on. You will be getting a spa room as well. So here you can come for the massages. So first is a couple massage room. So you can have those moments with your spouse and enjoy the therapies. Here you will be getting some more massages rooms. Have a look. And along with this, you will be getting a washing and a changing room. Have a look. And there are more rooms for massages, so please have a look. Moving onto your left hand side, you will get a cafe. So you can come here in the evening with your families and enjoy your frappuccinos, your coffees and your evening snacks. Moving on, let me take you to a steam room. Also, I forgot to mention you that you have a personal meeting room as well. So you can come here for your meetings. And after you had a pampering session of your massages, so you can come a level down for your steams. So it is locked right now, but there is a steam room for you. And on the terrace, you will be getting an alfresco restaurant as well. So in the winters or in the evening, you can come here and order your favorite snacks. And on the second floor, you will be getting this world-class gourmet restaurant. So you can come here for your lunches, for your dinner with your family. You can have your meetings over here and you can enjoy the world-class cuisines over here. And as you can see, the chefs are on the go. They have hired all the renowned chefs from the 5-star hotels. So imagine the kind of food you're gonna get here. And as you can see, I'm walking towards the alfresco area here, which gives stunning and breathtaking view. Have a look. Imagine you had a tiring day and you have come here and ordered yourself a nice juice and enjoying this view. And next to your gourmet restaurant, you will get this fantastic bar. So you can come here with your friends, enjoy the electric mocktails, beers, and have your social scenes with your friends. Overlooking this breathtaking view where you can enjoy the serenity in the hustle and bustle of the city, which you won't get anywhere because this place is surrounded by 120 acres of lush greens. I mentioned you earlier that DLF 1 Midtown is offering you a plethora of amenities. As you can see behind me, a convenience store. So you will be getting retail stores inside your DLF 1 Midtown, so you don't have to step out at all. All the groceries you can get from here. And next to it, you can see there's a gaming room for the kids. So you need to come inside for that because there's a surprise inside for the kids. Come along with me. So you will be getting a number of sports activities, so your entertainment needs are sorted here. And the surprise that I was talking about is this. You will be getting PS5 here. That's your cards table. That's a billiard table. So your kids can come and have a fun time here. Your kids can enjoy foosball, air jockey, carom board, cards, chess and pool. Moving on to our next amenity destination. As you can see, I am walking and I can't express how much fresh I'm feeling the moment I've stepped out. And this is located and surrounded in such an area where you will be getting plethora of flora and fauna because you are located in the midst of 128 acres of serene green. You are in Delhi's bustling area, but here you will be in the most serene area in DLF. And next to the gaming zone, you will get a kids club area and you will be getting a toddler area as well. So welcome. So if you want to leave your child here and you want to go out for a movie, you can get your nanny here and your kids can enjoy it here. And this is one best thing which I like. So in case your kid is tired and they want to take a nap, so they have provided these mini beds for your toddlers. And one more thing, DLF takes care of each and every small minute things. Look at the washroom, look at the faucets they have provided for your kids. Isn't it amazing? And here you have a wash and change area in case your diapers, your clothes needs to be changed. Have a look. For all my fitness enthusiasts, you will get this modern, fully equipped gymnasium with the latest machines. Come have a look. It's a fully loaded gym, so you can see the kind of machineries you're gonna get here. And it's a huge gym. You're not gonna get bored here, you're not gonna get monotonous here because they have all type of gym equipments for you. And here is your separate boxing and calisthenic area. Yet another amenities from DLF 1 Midtown is the multi-purposes halls, or you can say a ballroom. You will be getting 3 ballrooms here, which can easily accommodate 35 to 40 people if you want to do a gatherings like birthdays, somebody's farewell or any other function. And if you want to accommodate at least 130 to 140 people, then they can remove the barricades and they can make a one big ballroom for you, for your parties. DLF 1 Midtown provides seamless connectivity to 4 to 5 metro stations like Moti Nagar, Kirti Nagar, Sadguru Ram Marg and Artillery Road. And if you talk about airport is just 19 kilometers from here, Gurugram is just 38 kilometers from here, and DLF Mall of Noida is just 33 kilometers from here. And if you talk about the schools, the renowned schools like SM Arya Public School and Ramoja School are also in the vicinity. And you will be getting a hospital, in-house hospital in DLF Midtown, which is BLK Hospital, and you won't believe you will be getting 50 to 100 doctors residing in DLF 1 Midtown and Capital Greens. DLF is committed to quality, timeliness and customer satisfaction. No wonder they have completed the project before 2026. They were supposed to finish it 2026, but they have finished it in 2025. Few of the families have already moved into DLF 1 Midtown. So if you want to enjoy this breathtaking panoramic hill view from Delhi, from your own house, from your own balcony, do call us on the numbers flashing below and we will give you more details. Thank you for watching Zrix.com. Do like us, subscribe us for more real estate updates.